In our last episode, we discussed AI impact. So let's resume this new one. Robot climbing stairs. Our world was not built for wheels. It was built for legs. Stairs, hallways, offices, every corner designed for the human body. And now, something else is learning to navigate it. Step by step, balanced, calculated, precise. This is Tesla-style humanoid in factory. Atlas-style dynamic movement balance was once a uniquely human skill. The ability to run, jump, recover, and adapt in real time. Robot vision, POV. To move intelligently, a machine must first see. Cameras replace eyes. Depth sensors measure distance. Internal robot components. Beneath the polished exterior lies a network of precision engineering. Motors acting as muscles. Actuators driving movement. Find this interesting? Kindly to subscribe for you to watch the next episode.